Hi guys, how you guys doing? I thought I'd share with you a little bit behind the scene of a whole package of flowers that I got delivered today for an upcoming event that I am going to be decorating. So I kind of thought I'd share with you guys because I get that question a lot on where I got my flowers. So I thought I'd kind of share with you guys. I just received a few packages from Amazon of flowers that I got in bulk. These are some beautiful, beautiful roses. The colors are blushy, pinkish, light pink, baby colors, and with some peonies as well, as you guys can see in the back here. So these are all the roses that I'm gonna be using to decorate with, to create my centerpieces with. Another thing that I want to share with you guys is where I get my foam flowers, and I thought I'd share with you guys where I get mines. And based on my experience with it, these foam flowers are amazing, amazing, you guys. I love the way they box the flowers, and the name of the company is called Lang's Moment, and I purchased them from Amazon. That's where I got these flowers from, the foam flowers from, and these flowers are amazing. I love the size of the flowers. I love how they look. Also, go ahead and click the link in the description box below where you can sign up for Ebates. You will be able to get cash back through every purchases that you make, and also be able to save money as well. I love how they feel. They look absolutely beautiful, you guys. You guys must try it. So that's the vendor. If you want beautiful, good quality foam flowers, I highly suggest you go to that company. And as you can see here, I have boxes of those flowers. Boxes of them right now. I just love those flowers so much. And I was really happy that I got the opportunity to be able to use these beautiful flowers because I think they look absolutely amazing. So also I thought I'd let you guys know too, maybe give you guys a few sites if you're looking to purchase silk flowers, where you can go to purchase some beautiful silk flowers. Some of my favorite go-to sites is you can go to either Amazon, and the reason why I like to go to Amazon is if I want my 2-day shipping, and it depends on the event and it depends on how fast I would like for my flowers to be shipped to me. So I would go to Amazon because there's so many different vendors that you can purchase your silk flowers and bulk through Amazon, believe it or not. And I think they have the most prettiest roses ever. Some other go-to sites you can definitely go to if you're not in a hurry to get your package, you're planning your event in advance. I highly suggest you go to AliExpress, Alibaba, DHgate, and there's also another wonderful site you can go to as well. It's called 8 Floral. So these are the most highly awesome websites you can go to purchase your flowers in bulk. If you have any big events coming up, if you are looking for really good quality silk flowers, like the good quality silk flowers that you see I use in my video. So these are some of the really great sites you can go to purchase silk flowers. Okay, I have a lot of work to do tonight, as you can see, because I have to put quite a few centerpieces together, and I actually have some more flowers coming in. So this is not even it, you guys. I still got a lot more coming in, so I have a lot of work to do. So I thought I'd share that little piece of information with you guys before I get started with my project. All right. Don't forget to check out the Academy. Go ahead and sign up for free, where I teach you how you can do it all. And also, don't forget to stay tuned for my next video, where I am going to be showing you on how I do the flower arrangement with those exact flowers that you're seeing in this video. So stay tuned, you guys. You do not want to miss out. Bye, guys.